Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi S5 Coupe Black Edition 3-litre V6 TDI Tiptronic. This particular model comes in the stunning Mythos black metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 3-litre V6 you get 336 brake horsepower with 700 Nm of torque, and as this is the black edition you get multiple elements of gloss black styling, including the front and rear bumper inserts and the gloss black badges. On the front we have these fabulous matrix LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners these 20-inch 5 twin spoke polygon design alloy wheels finished in gloss black, tying in really nicely with the black metallic paintwork and the gloss black styling package to give this a proper blacked out look. The tailgate pops open with the touch of a button and reveals plenty of space for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop, and if need be the rear seats do fold down to give a little bit of extra space. To get in the back, simply pull the tab on the driver or passenger seats and pull it forward so you can get into the back. The interior of this vehicle is finished in fine nappa leather for maximum luxury and comfort, with the centre armrest and tri-zone climate control so the rear passengers can have as much comfort as possible. Both outer seats also have Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we had the leather multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are Super Sport S seats with the S badge embossing at the top and are fully electrically adjustable with lumbar support and massage function, so you always have that perfect driving position and are as comfortable and luxurious as possible. The Audi virtual cockpit is configurable using the left side of the multifunction controls, giving you maximum control over what is displayed in front of you. On the right is your volume and voice control so merging your phone calls, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations or simply navigation. Underneath the climate control we have the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the park assist buttons, which brings up the 360-degree camera system so you can check every single angle and you never have to worry about damaging that precious bodywork. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own. Both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those cold winter mornings. Thank you for watching this video on the approved used Audi S5 Coupe, which is available at Stafford Audi. If you have any questions or queries, do not hesitate to get in contact and speak to a member of our sales team.